It is a 3 in a jar, meaning that it brightens your skin, it glows your skin, and it soothes your skin. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you see me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, your skincare bestie. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do not forget to do that, because over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys girls tips, okay, and we talk about everything that a girl needs to know, so you will not want to miss out on any of my videos. So please hit the subscribe button already. So in this very video, I'll be telling you the body brightening combo that would brighten up your skin in 2 weeks. If you have noticed, okay, over the months I've been trying to give you people as much combos as possible, because you might be able to afford this but you cannot be able to afford that. So if you know that this budget is a budget that you can work with, then this combo is for you, because it would help to brighten up your skin and give you a flawless looking skin in just 2 weeks. Okay, so if this video is the kind of video that you'll be anticipating to watch, okay, if you are looking for a body combo that will brighten up your skin, then just sit back, let's dive into the video. So the very first thing you would need in your body care routine will have to be a pre-cleansing soap. If you have been following me, then you should know that this is a must. Okay, this is a staple in our routine. We must always pre-cleanse our skin. Pre-cleansing would help to give you a more flawless skin and also give you a neat skin to work with. Imagine using your brightening body products on a dirty skin. Sis, it would not work. But imagine using your brightening body care products on already pre-cleansed and neat skin. That way the products will get absorbed into your skin quickly. Okay, so for pre-cleansing, I'll be recommending that you go for this. This is Dove Pampering bar soap. This particular one is from the brand Dove, and this is perfect for pre-cleansing because it contains warm vanilla and also it contains shea butter that would help to nourish your skin. And this bar soap smells amazing. Okay, if you have used the bar soap in the past, you'll be able to reckon what I'm saying, that this bar soap smells so good. Okay, and this will be the very first step you will take in the bathroom in the morning and also at night. So when you are done pre-cleansing your body and your body is already neat, the next thing for you to do is to now use a proper body wash that would furthermore help to brighten up your skin and give you that nourished and healthy looking skin that we are hoping to achieve at the end of this body combo. Okay, so when it comes to the morning body wash that you would need in your body care routine for this particular body combo, it will be this one from Fruiser. Okay, I've been a Fruiser girl and you guys already know this is very big and this does the job. Okay, this is Fruiser double moisturizing shower cream that contains goat milk with milk bath and pearl powder. This particular body wash, okay, promises to keep your skin glowy and radiant. It contains pearl powder that helps to purify your skin and give you a neat looking skin. If you have a very dry skin and you'll be looking for that body wash or shower cream to use that would help to nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, and yet give you a clean skin, this one is the one I'll be recommending for you, because it is very good for dry skin. But even if you don't have a dry skin like me, I don't have a dry skin, I would also recommend that you go for this. Okay, this particular one smells amazing and it helps to moisturize your skin. If you know that your skin lacks moisture, your skin easily gets dry, or you want to just keep a good moisturized skin, because if you're following me, you would know that I normally say that if your skin is moisturized and hydrated, then your skin will glow. A hydrated and moisturized skin equals to a glowy skin. If your skin is not moisturized, there is no how your skin would glow. So I would recommend that you go with this, okay, after your Dove bar soap in the morning to have your morning shower. Okay, so the next bar soap that you're going to be needing in this routine will have to be a treatment bar soap that you are going to use just 3 times in a week. Okay, please do not use this soap more than 3 times in a week. Only use it 3 times in a week. You can choose to do Tuesday nights, Thursday nights, and maybe Sunday nights. Okay, you can choose any of the nights that you would want to, and please use it 3 times in a week. And that soap will have to be this particular one from Kojie San. This is Kojie San soap. This is a skin lightening soap, okay, for a lighter and even toned skin. This particular soap contains kojic acid, which is a lightening ingredient that helps to lighten up your skin and also give you an even toned skin. If you struggle with body hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, your skin is not the same complexion, then I would recommend that you go for this, okay, and use it 3 times at night. Then on the nights they are not going to use your Kojie San soap, you are free to still use your Fruiser shower cream. That is on the nights you're not going to be using this. Remember, you're going to be using this just 3 times in a week, so the other days of the week or the other nights of the week you are going to be making use of this. This particular bar soap helps to fade dark spots, it helps to fade body hyperpigmentation, even out your skin tone, and just give you a glowy and radiant skin. Remember that the target is for us to achieve a beautiful, glowy and radiant skin at the end of 2 weeks, okay? So now we are done with everything you're going to be needing in your bathroom, and once you're out of the bathroom, you're supposed to lock in moisture, whether in the morning or at night. And for that, you're going to be needing a good brightening body lotion that would help to brighten up your skin. And for that, I'm going to recommend this particular one from the Advanced Korea. This is Advanced Korea Skin Bright and Smooth Body Lotion, okay? This one that is orange in color. This one helps to brighten up your skin because it contains good ingredients that helps in skin brightening. Let us go through the ingredient list. It contains tranexamic acid. It contains azelaic acid. Azelaic acid helps to even out rough and bumpy skin, okay? It also contains alpha arbutin that helps to target dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven tone skin. It contains vitamin A, vitamin E, papaya extract, and you know that papaya extract helps in skin brightening. It also contains ascorbic oil, which is gotten from vitamin C, okay, that would help to brighten up your skin. It also contains licorice root extract. Licorice root extract helps to target dark spot, hyperpigmentation, uneven tone skin, and give you a same looking skin. It also contains lactic acid that will gently exfoliate your skin and give you a fresh looking skin. If I should go through everything that this particular lotion contains, I don't think this video would end quickly, okay? This particular lotion contains a lot of good ingredients that helps it to, work for your skin. It also contains kojic acid as well, which you know that kojic acid helps to what? Lighten up your skin and also brighten up your skin. Let me read what is written on the body. It's a superfood with rich nutrients and antioxidant that serve as anti-aging agent and enhances a dull skin to glow and shine visibly in shortest time. This particular lotion promises to do a lot, and not just that it promises, it actually does a lot when it comes to skin brightening and skin lightening, okay? It is a 3 in a jar, meaning that it brightens your skin, it glows your skin, and it soothes your skin. Remember that I said that it contains azelaic acid, which works as a skin sweetener that would help to sweeten your skin in case you have a rough and bumpy skin. So this is the lotion that we're going to be using in this body combo. And if you want to make this routine to work faster, okay, I would advise that you get a body oil. But if you don't have the money for it, you can skip the body oil because this lotion moisturizes so well. It is thick, okay, so it will leave your skin super moisturized. But if you want to lock in the ingredients that come from your body lotion so that they would work and work effectively, because the work of a body oil is to seal the ingredient that comes from the body lotion, I would recommend that you go for this one from Disaar. This one is very affordable. This is Disaar vitamin C body oil, okay? If you have used the product, you should be able to attest what I'm saying, that this body oil is so good, okay? This body oil contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps in skin brightening. This product is enriched with natural extract that rapidly infiltrate into skin, moisturize, whiten, and replenish nutrients. It relieves dry skin, and also it helps to lighten up fine lines and spots, and it also gets easily absorbed onto your skin. So if you know you are looking for that oil that will not cause oiliness on your skin, this is the body oil that you should be going for. This oil is affordable and it works. When I mean something is affordable and it works, then I'm talking about this Disaar vitamin C body oil. And there you have it, my loves. This is the body combo that would help to brighten up your skin in 2 weeks. These tips I'm going to give to you now are the tips that would help all these products that I just mentioned in this routine to work for you. Tip number 1 is I'm going to exfoliating your skin using a good body scrub, and for that I'm going to recommending the Dr. Mania Alpha Arbutin or the Dr. Teal's vitamin C body scrub, okay? Any of these two that you can get is absolutely fine. Another thing I'm going to recommend for you is that you're going to exfoliating just 2 times in a week. Do not over exfoliate and do not under exfoliate. Remember to stay consistent and to stay patient, and with time you are going to achieve that glowy skin and you're going to say goodbye to a dull skin. If you love this video already, remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you're going to be trying out this body combo that I just talked about, and remember to turn on the notification bell so I'll be the first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.